Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.
Join us at Like Learning School and experience a transformative education journey. Visit our website at www.likelearningschool.com or contact us at +2348085095144 to learn more and get started today.
All right. You see, when you're solving inequalities, you just do it the normal way you would solve an equation, except for some specific technicalities you need to take into consideration. You just solve it the normal way you solve an equation. Are you ready for that now?
Mm-hmm.
Can we?
Yeah.
All right, let me zoom this out very well so that we can do it properly. It says solve the following and represent on a number line. 5x plus 3 less than 2x plus 12. You said you attempted it. What did you get?
I got x is less than 3.
X is less than 3 for the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Tell us what you did. This is your answer, so let's prove it.
I moved 2x to the left and 3 to the right.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is just the simple way you solve an equation. The simple way you solve an equation, you know. So let's follow your method. That's it. So you start with 5x here. Then you are bringing the 2x on the right hand side to the left hand side. Yeah. What did it become?
5x minus 2x.
Minus 2x, because it has a plus here. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Is everybody listening?
Yes.
If it has a plus, if it crosses over, it becomes a minus. That's it crosses over the inequality sign or the equality sign, assuming it was an equation. It becomes a minus. Then you have the less than or equal to sign. Let's just write all of them before we finalize. Less than. Then what do you have to write here first? That is 12 is already there. Then before you carry the other one across, it's a plus. When it crosses, it becomes what?
A minus. So
minus 3. Can you confirm if you understood this? Can you confirm? Please, is everybody confirming?
Yeah.
Should we progress? What is 5x minus 2x?
3x.
3x. So 3x is less than, what's 12 minus 3?
9.
9. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is x? How do you find x?
I divided both sides by 3.
You divide both sides by 3. So x is basically 9. 9 divided by 3. X is basically 9 divided by 3. So x is simply the final answer. X is what? X is less than 3. Do you know how to represent that on a number line? Because I said you should, on just a simple number line, because it's a simple graph. So your number line has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. So let me just write the numbers. You have.
Would darker dot to be on the.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Right side.
Pardon? Can you say that again? I'm just representing it on.
I will be pointing like to the right.
Can we do what on the right?
Would the arrow be pointing to the right?
Oh, the arrow you're talking about. All right, let's see. Let's see. Because it's less than. It has to go on the left hand side before 3. Before positive 3. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
But first of all, you open a small dot. Because it is less than, it has to point to the left of 3. Is that understood?
Yes.
I hope you got this, everybody.
Yeah.
Less than 3. But this dot will be open. The dot is open. on 3, but it's less than it. If it was greater, it would have been pointing to the right after 3. Do you understand? Okay, can you give me possible values of x since it's less than 3? Let's even stretch it further.
2,
Beautiful. What are the possible values? Let's even list 5 values of x.
2, 3, 2, 1, minus 1.
Excellent. So
Minus
possible values of x. Anything less than 3, if integer less than 3, you have 2, 1, 0, minus 1, and so on to minus 2, etc. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you all with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
I hope this is clear. Can we do the second one?
Can I just take an order choosing that?
Let's go. This is
Yeah,
so. By the way, you
you
got it.
move-
You got it.
you move x to the you move 5x to the left and minus 2 to the right.
Interesting. So let's start with it. Let's just start that way. We have 3x is already here, right?
Yeah.
It's always good to write what is already there, and then before you move the other one. What sign does this 5x have?
Plus 5x.
Plus 5. When it gets to the other side, it becomes minus 5x, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have our less than or equal to sign. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to before we can get to something. All right. So let's go.
And then
We have
4.
4 here. 4 is already there. Then we bring the minus 2 to the other side, isn't it?
Yeah.
It has a minus. When it crosses, it becomes what?
Plus.
Plus 2. Are we all clear on that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. So you have 3x minus 5x greater than or equal to 4 plus 2. All right. What is 3x minus 5x?
2x.
No. Be careful. What is
Minus 2.
minus 2x? 3 minus 5 is minus 2x. Do we agree?
Yeah.
So minus 2x is greater than, what is 4 plus 2?
6.
6. Okay, so how do we finish up here? This is very important.
Minus 2 divided by 6, which is minus 3.
Good. So we divide both sides by minus 2. Because anytime, just like we did here, we divided both sides by 3. You are dividing both sides by whatever is attached to x. So in this case, we are dividing both sides by minus 2. All right, so now I need you to pay attention. There's something you really need to listen to. So x will now be divided by minus 2. 6 will be divided by minus 2, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Please listen for
It would be minus 3 is greater than x.
Or
Without on that line underneath it.
okay. Let me tell you something. I really implore everyone to listen. This is very, very key. Anytime you are multiplying or dividing with a negative, the sign of the inequality changes. I have to note it down. It's a very important thing. Note. Multiplying or dividing with a negative number changes the inequality sign. Please read this. Read what I wrote. I'm writing this in this small block.
Multiplying with a negative number changes the inequality sign.
Once it is negative, you are dividing with or multiplying, it will change the inequality sign. This is very, very important. So this inequality sign will no longer be greater than or equal to. It will now be less than or equal to. It changes it. Once it is a negative number you are multiplying or dividing with, it will change it. But if it was a positive, it doesn't change it. Okay? Please take note of this. This is very, very important. So the final answer will now be what? X is less than or equal to what?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Can we represent on a number line? Please, this is key. This is key. I hope we are getting it. This is very key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on, minus 5 if you like. Are we still there?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so how do we represent this? It's less than or equal to minus 3.
Minus the lines are
So
minus 3.
we are going to draw that stuff on top of minus 3, right? But this time around it will be covered. It will be the block, it will be a circle with a shaded dot. Unlike this one that the circle wasn't shaded. You know, it's just a circle, but this has to be shaded. And it will, since it's less than, it will go this way. Do you understand? Go to the left.
Yeah.
Please, are we good on this?
Yeah.
I didn't get your response.
Yes, sir.
All right, please. Let's all have our responses so that we can be sure we are making progress. Can you give me possible values?
Minus 4.
We have possible values. Possible values are, give me anything less than minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, etc., right? Because sometimes you may be asked to state some possible values. Okay, let's look at this interesting one. This one is for the big boys, but it's actually very easy. Is it the one you said you couldn't do?
Yeah.
Don't forget that I said when you are doing this, you have to shade this circle because it's anything that is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that circle has to be shaded. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Please, we need to run through this very quickly. The simple way to do this is put them in pairs. Very easy. Put them in pairs. The first pair and the second pair. Watch me. Start from the first inequality, the first pair. Solve the first pair. It's easier that way. Solve the first pair. Did you get that?
Yeah.
And you solve the second pair. It's so easy. You just solve the second pair.
When we get the answer to green. Oh.
That's it. You just get the first one in green and then the one in blue. Solve the first pair and then the second pair. Starting from the beginning of the first pair to the end, and then do the second pair. Can we do the first pair in green?
Yeah.
Very quickly. Go ahead.
So the X moves.
Okay, let me write it down. First pair in green, of course. That becomes 5x, right?
Yeah.
X moves to the other side. What sign does x have?
Plus.
If it goes to the other side, it becomes what?
Minus X.
Minus x. So less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, what do we write first?
Minus 3.
No,
Plus 3.
no, write what is there first before you bring anything over. It's better. What was?
X plus 5.
That's 5. Before the minus 3 crosses over. When minus 3 crosses over, it becomes what?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. It's just moving stuff. Move all the x's to one side. Move all the numbers to the other side. 5x was there. We carried x. And it has a plus. How do I know it has a plus? If there's no sign, it means it has a plus. There's an invisible plus here. Even though it wasn't written. You already know that. Are we all agreeing?
Yeah.
I didn't hear your voice.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's solve this first one. 5x minus x gives what?
4X.
4x. Okay. It's so easy. Please, I need to hurry up. We have extended our time so much. 4x is greater than 8, right?
Yeah, 8.
So what is x? Divide both sides by what?
4, 3. X is greater or equal to 2.
8 over 2, 4, which is 2. So x is greater than 2. Greater than or equal to 2. Okay, let's solve the
Yeah.
second pair in blue. That's just the way to do this. So it's so easy. Second pair
So
in blue.
x
So the second
plus
pair in
x.
blue is x plus 5 less than 15 minus x. So let's go.
You bring the x to the left, which would be
So
x plus
x plus x. That's this minus x crosses this minus x here, crosses to the left, it becomes plus. You know, just
And
what we call that collected like terms. Okay. So that's
and 15
less than.
15 minus 5
You have 15. Then plus 5 crosses over and becomes minus 5.
minus
What's x plus x?
2x
2x less than. What's 15 minus 5?
10.
10. Okay, let's solve. What's x?
1 and 1 is less than 5.
So x is less than
Less
10
than
over
5.
2. So x is less than 5, right?
Yeah.
X is less than 5. All right. Can you see that? So let me write it properly so it doesn't look like 5 over 10, 5 raised to the power 2. So x is less than 5. X is less than 5. The two answers. So how do we represent this? This is cool. And then we see the possible values. How do we represent this on the number line? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
See our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If I, maybe I should even ask you what are the possible values before we even represent, if you like. What are the possible values?
2 and 5.
No, possible values. X is greater than or equal to 2, but x is less than 5. You must give me
Yeah.
give me all the integers that
Oh.
satisfy the condition.
Yeah.
Give me all the integers that satisfy the condition. Let's do that very quickly.
Wait, do I combine them? Or
Yes, now we are combining them now.
2 then less than equal to
No. Let's
then
first
x.
of all let's get the values. First of all, the
Okay.
values.
X is greater than equal to 2.
X is greater than or equal to 2 for those for the two. Possible values for both. That's what I'm talking. Combined. What are they? X is greater than or equal to 2 and x is less than 5. So what are the values? All integers that are greater than or equal to 2 and also less than 5. Can you mention them?
3.
Remember, if 2 is inclusive because it says greater than or equal to 2.
Greater than or equal to 2. Yeah, 3.
2 is inclusive.
No, I said 3. 3.
You haven't started with 2. I said 2 is inclusive because it says greater than or equal to 2. So let's start from 2, 2, continue,
4.
3, and then 4. Why are you stopping at 4?
Because it's less than 5.
Because it said it must be less than 5. In fact, if we were to write the answer, I will do that. Let's even plot this thing. Please, this is what I did. It's not what I did is not a big deal, because it says x is greater than x is greater than or equal to 2, and x is less than 5. X is less than 5. So the values are numbers that are greater than or equal to 2, but also less than 5. 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. Okay, let's represent it on the number line first of all. It's less than 5, right?
Yes.
So this we have open, the 0 will open because it's less than 5. And then it will draw up to 2. It's greater than 2, so 2 will be closed. Because and it says it's equal to 2. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Did you see how I did this one?
Yeah.
What does this mean? Explain it. Explain it.
Since the 5 is greater than everything else, it is open. because since the 2 is like le-
With equal to, this 2 has greater than or equal to.
two.
That's why the
So
circle is closed. But this 5 that is only less than
it's up.
is open. Always start from the smallest to the biggest and put that. That's how we represent it. Now, if you wanted to combine the two equations, this is how we write it. You put x in the middle. You put something here and something here. What will be below it?
The first one will be 2 and the second will be
But you need to add the less than or equal to, and then this one will have 5. So this is the answer. Please let me know if you understood what I wrote here. Let me know if you understood what I wrote here.
I understand.
Yeah, because it says x is greater than or equal to 2. That means, wait, hold on. Yeah. That's correct. X is greater than or equal to 2. In fact, start from the smallest to the biggest. Smallest is 2, biggest is 5. And just put x in the middle. Because the whole of this place is where you have the x. The whole of this place is where you have the x. Whatever it is there, if it is less than or equal to, if it has equal to, add it there. The one that doesn't have it, just write it like that. So this is seriously cool. It's not a big deal. What I will ask you to do is listen to this again if you need to. Then I'm going to send it to you. Okay?
Okay.
That's just the simple way of doing it. But we look at the other ones where you have 2 variables, where you will need to actually plot a graph. And that will require you learning how to plot linear graphs with intercept and gradient. But it's also not a big deal. All right. Any question?
No, I understand.
Are we all good on this?
Yeah.
All right. Please just listen to I'm going to send you the notes, as you can see, and then you also listen to this again. It's just cool. And you can get some practice questions. All right.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Like Learning School, your premier online education platform. At Like Learning School, we are dedicated to helping students and learners unlock their full potential, providing them with the foundation, support, and guidance they need for academic excellence. Our platform caters to 2 main target audiences. Firstly, we work with school children of all ages, offering academic follow-up and accountability partnerships. Our seasoned tutors provide personalized attention to ensure students stay on track and reach their goals. Secondly, we support students and learners who are preparing for internal, external, entrance, or professional examinations. We offer comprehensive and well-structured support to help them achieve outstanding performance in their exams. Our robust virtual courses are designed to keep students engaged and motivated. With interactive videos showcasing our teaching sessions, students actively participate in the learning process, making education enjoyable and effective. But that's not all. We believe in personalized education. Our students have access to personalized tutorial sessions, whether online, physical, or hybrid, tailored to their unique learning needs. Join us at Like Learning School and experience a transformative education journey. Visit our website at www.likelearningschool.com or contact us at +234 808 509 5144 to learn more and get started today.